On today's installment of Big Al's Garage, spoiler alert! How y'all doing? I'm Big Al. Welcome to the garage. Today we are back with my 65 Chevy Corvair. Unfortunately, I am still waiting on those exhaust manifold gaskets. I've given up on trying to source them locally, so I've ordered them from Clark's. They should be here on Friday. So hopefully Monday I will have a little bit more progress on the head replacement project for you. Today we're going to take on another project that's been kind of waiting in the wings for a while, and that is installing this front chin spoiler. This should help aid with the car's handling and its stability on windier days. Shouldn't be too big a deal to install. It looks like it takes about 6 self-tapping screws, and it's in. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm here under the car. Let me see if I can adjust this light so you can see a little better. First thing we need to do is make sure we're not drilling into Bondo. So I've got this refrigerator magnet. We're going to check under here. Oh boy, it is pretty rusty in some areas. But good news is it's all metal. Good. Of course, if there's Bondo, this magnet won't stick. I'm not liking the level of rust on this car. I almost poked my finger through that. That's right. The center of the car is here. We're going to run some blue painter's tape and find a point to go into. So I got this blue painter's tape that I just murmured under my breath. I'll say it loudly now. We need to find the center of the car right here on the bumper. There we go. Where did I put that magnet? And there is metal. This I don't like. I've got 2 patches of rust under here. Well, I'm going to hit that with the rust neutralizing paint. Alright, just giving you a little look at the underside of the car. Here's some of that rust I was talking about. We got another rust hole here. That is nasty. That's real nasty. That's not terrible. So, just going to hit it with some of this Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer, basically poor man's POR 15, and that should slow things down a little bit. Let's get to it. Okay, so I've hit these spots, as you can see, with the rust neutralizer. I'll test fit our spoiler while we're waiting on that to dry. Okay. Is actually meant for a 69 Camaro. It is not going to fit well over here. So maybe I put it back further. It's going to look kind of dumb. Might be the way to go. I want to drill into the gas tank. Yeah, it doesn't quite fit. There we go. Not sure I like. Look at this from another angle. help with the car is on a slant. Body's probably all flexing and so if I push it back further, that's probably the way to do it. Thus, not sure I'm in love with the way this is looking or fitting. Yeah, this is probably the way to go with it right on the back like this. Drill my 6 holes, same with self-tappers. This is real rusty over here.
A few moments later.
Let's drill some holes and sink some screws. Getting the warm fuzzies from this. There's still plenty of metal. Like this. Let's open up the trunk and see what's in there. Well, everybody, it's not every day I end up tossing in the towel on one of these projects, but I'm just not sure of what I'm drilling into with this, and whatever it is, my drill bit just plain is barely not making a dent. So I'm gonna punt on this project for now, but in the meantime I did buy some new wiper blades for this thing. Let's get those put on. Alright, I don't drive this car out in bad weather, at least on purpose, and although I have got caught in a freak rainstorm once in a while, and the wiper blades on this thing are totally shot. In fact, one of them are broken off. Now I've got these Michelin wiper blades, the same ones I used in my Camry wiper blade replacement video. They are 15-inch blades. Let's figure out how they mount. Looks like it shouldn't be too bad. There is a little, not sure how well you can see it, but round hole here that corresponds to a little round nub on the blade arm. Looks like. Just snap it in? No, it can't be that easy. Can't be that easy. But we're gonna try it. Well, not my night for wrenching, is it? Okay, so I had to make some modifications to this connector, and I've got it on here fairly snug. It's not going anywhere. It's not a proper installation, but it'll do. The car has 2 wiper blades on it now. and they look half decent. Car doesn't look stupid. Like I said, I don't ever drive this thing in inclement weather, so hopefully it's just a piece of ornamentation. Anyway, that is it for tonight. I'm sorry it wasn't a more exciting video, but sometimes, you know, if you're not sure like that, you gotta know when to toss in the towel. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll hopefully be back with some parts, and we can get back to really putting this beast back on the road.